Unit 3 Study Guide, Problem 7. So toy company produces 12,000 or 1,000 toys per month. In January, 75 toys did not meet quality standards. The toy company generates a random sample to simulate 10 toys to inspect for February. The integers 1 to 75 represent toys that are below standards. So how many? We have 1 to 75. So 1 in the sample does not meet standards. So what's the question asking? Based on this sample, how many toys will not meet quality standards in February? Well, in February, how many toys are going to be shipped? There are going to be 1,000 toys shipped. How many are in the sample? 10. Out of those 10, 1 does not meet quality standards. So you can cross multiply and divide, or you know that you're just multiplying by 100. So we're looking for 100 toys to be defective, which is C. Now on to number 8. So which statement about the data is true? The difference between the medians is okay. So all of these are talking about the difference between the medians. Well, what are the medians? We have 34 and 38. So the difference between the medians is 38 minus 34, and that gives us 4. So the difference between the medians is how many is about these numbers times the range. Here's times interquartile range, and here is times interquartile range. So what is the range? The range looks to be about let's see, 38 minus 31 is 7, and 40 minus 33 is 7. So these are both, the ranges are both 7. So 7. This would be for A and C. Is about 2 times? No, it's less than 1, so we can't use the range, because 4 divided by 7 is 0.57, so on and so forth. So that one doesn't work. So we need to use the interquartile range. So we're still going to use the difference of the medians, which is 4, as a multiple, or how many times. Let's use the interquartile range. So the interquartile range is 37 to about, I'm sorry, these are decimals, 36, 37. So this would be about 33 and a half, 35 and a half, so that's about 2. This is about 2. And so this is about 36 and a half to 38 and a half, so this is about 2 as well. So the interquartile ranges are 2, and this gives us an answer of 2. So the difference between the medians is 2 times the interquartile range, so the answer to 8 is D.